Our devotional thought from Psalms today deals with rewards for right living. Now, yes, I know that we are not saved by works, we're saved by grace. Yes, I know that it's impossible for us to live a completely righteous life and obey all the commands, but I also know that we can choose to live right. We live in a world where people trying to do right are almost made fun of. Good guys come in last. Good guys are losers. You know, you gotta cut some corners. You gotta do some corruption if you're really going to get ahead. The world mocks people who just want to live right. But I want you to notice how King David teaches us that there is a reward for living right. Psalms 18, beginning with verse 19. He led me to a place of safety. He rescued me because he delights in me. The Lord rewarded me for doing right. He restored me because of my innocence. For I have kept the ways of the Lord, and I have not turned from my God to follow evil. I have followed all his regulations. I have never abandoned his decrees. I am blameless before God. I have kept myself from sin. The Lord rewarded me for doing right. He has seen my innocence. Now you look at that and you realize when David was under attack, David didn't sit back and blame himself and say, well, I'm reaping what I've sowed and, I deserve all of this that these people are doing to me. David said, no, I haven't done anything wrong in this situation. I'm innocent in this situation. And he would not bend and bow from that. And he recognized that by doing right, he had promises. He had promises that God would restore him because of my innocence. Because I'm innocent in this thing, God would restore everything that has been destroyed because of these enemies who have attacked me. He recognized, verse 24, that the Lord rewarded me for doing right. He has seen my innocence. Brothers and sisters, there is a reward for doing right. Sometimes I know the world will slap you upside the head for doing right, but God has promised a reward for doing right. Can I encourage you today? I know we can't be perfect, but you know what? We can try to do right. And when we do right, there is a reward.